Alright, we live in the Tahoe right now. Deep ass snow. Let's see, got her in auto. See if this mug gonna get out. Oh, she's going, she's moving. We do have liftoff. Bro, this Tahoe, bro, I don't know, bro. I might not sell it, bro. This shit, all I did was clean, like, in front so I could get in. I didn't undig this shit. And this is, like, I don't even know. Probably, like, 10 inches of snow. And this shit just drove out of this bitch. It's got, like, not even fresh tires. Oh. Got, like, a little dip and shit. Bro, she's moving, bro. We are out here right now. I don't know if you can see, like, bro, this is some real ass snow, like. This some real shit, bro. Motherfuckers getting stuck in shit. Fuck it. I'm about to whip it up now. You know what? I'm gonna just keep it rolling. Fuck it. She going though. I give it to her. Let's see my door open. Oh, bro, this shit crazy, bro. And like that was the driveway. Like these mean ass streets was gonna be nothing because it's just like fuck it, but this shit ain't no fucking joke out here, nigga. Where am I gonna park at? Fuck. I didn't think about that one. We'll just do that shit when I come back. I would try that shit, but no. I'm gonna get out in a second. Just to give you some perspective on this shit. Uphill, mind you. Attention and shit. Like I'm trying to get to a spot where it's like, all right, I stop. This shit'll keep going. Like I don't even know. Like I ain't even really stopped yet. So shit crazy. Oh shit, I should probably clean off the sidewalk. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alright, let me go clean off the. Oh yeah, I probably should have cleaned on this bitch. This shit don't got no traffic through it. Like, you don't see no passengers, motherfucker. Hold on. We out here, you know, deep ass fucking snow. This shit right for you. There you go. We got two dickheads up there in the middle. Hopefully I can get through this shit. See it, nigga. Gotta fucking go where it's I don't know what that bitch ass nigga was saying, but I'm going to the crib. What you talking? We got the trash truck up there. Shit. Fucking doing it right now. This fucking ram doesn't try to. Oh shit, he about to get clapped the fuck up there. He's on that dickhead shit. Gonna get it down. Right up around it. Heavy nigga. Yeah, he did that shit though. He getting down that shit though. I ain't gonna lie. He getting down with that shit. Well, you know you're doing something when you drive around with these motherfuckers driving around, bro. You see that shit, bro. Cooks. Extra fucking cooks. Cooks. Okay, I'm gonna pick this shit back up when I get in my driveway. That's gonna be an adventure all on its own. Nah, fucking little side mission, but like you see this shit though, right? Like this shit ain't no regular ass. She's right fucking through that shit, nigga. What the fuck are you talking about? Right through that shit. You right fucking through that shit. Every fucking time. It's a side mission that I'm taking you with me. Oh shit. Like you see that shit though. Crazy, man. From Tractor Supply. Oh, I'm falling. All right. Oh shit. Let me come back with the light on. All right, we back. I think I need some. Yeah, let's actually just fucking pour all of it. All fucking over, actually. It was like fucking $8, bro. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take care of that now before this shit doesn't close. Or open, I mean. Oh, you fucking whore. Oh, you fucking whore. Oh. He's taking some fucking ice with it, nigga. It's a fucking shit show. Alright. Oh. There you go. Alright, so like I was promising. Oh shit, they actually did plow this shit. That's hard. That's how you know it's bad, bro. They never plow this shit, bro. Like ever. So they plow this shit, bro. It's serious. It's gotta be something serious. See, I got the buttons in there now. You know, it doesn't match anything else, but you know. We fucking drifting her, but we got her in there. I ain't gonna lie. It's crazy. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but this shit is actually kind of deep. Like, I don't know if you can see the ruts in front of me, but this ain't no 2 inches of snow. Let me focus on getting this shit parked. Made it in. As you can see, that's my leg. So, you know, not super deep, but also nothing to play around with. Don't worry about any of that. Far from being a police officer. Yeah, this shit is like this is fucking crazy, but just for reference, fucking ruts and shit. That shit. Could be worse. We got this bitch, you know, fucking straight chilling. This shit ain't going nowhere no time soon. I don't know, if I get 1,000 views, I'll do a cold start tomorrow. Or no, I'll do a cold start after it gets 1,000. Do a cold start on her. A little freezing, canned cold start. Been sitting for like a few days. So